Welcome to SpyEye app. SpyEye app involves each and every feature a fleet owner would require to run his business smoothly. Let's go through some of the important features of SpyEye app. Click on the SpyEye app icon. The app opens with a home screen where you can find My Devices, History, Notifications, Settings, along with a pie chart at the top with tracking status of the vehicles. Click on My Devices. There you can find all your vehicle status individually with their respective track IDs along with ignition, live vehicle speed, etc. SpyEye app makes it easier to track each vehicle. To track a vehicle, left swipe the vehicle slot. You will find anti-theft alert option where you can switch on or off anti-theft alerts. And by clicking on More, will appear with various options like Live, Reports, Notifications, History, Geofence, Get Directions. Click on Live to get live update of your chosen vehicle. Other details like current speed, location, kilometers traveled, and date can also be tracked. In reports, you can find overspeed, stoppage, trip summary, etc. In notification option, you can turn on or off your notifications. SpyEye app provides a unique geofencing feature where you can track and control various entry and exit levels such as any specific road or tolls chosen. You can also turn on alerts for any perimeter. With SpyEye alerts, get to know more about overspeeding, towing, ignition, and is your vehicle idle or not? If yes, then by how many hours or minutes, etc. SpyEye app enables the users to share any information through WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, SMS, and various other ways. Get direct Google Map enabled direction of your chosen vehicle with the help of SpyEye app. Click on the three-dot icon on the top right corner of My Vehicle, and from there you can choose types of view like in detailed view option from ignition, kilometers traveled to direction, and much more will be available in a single slot of a particular vehicle. Vehicle icons can also be changed from the given sets of icons. Altogether, it's an all-in-one experience and a must-use tool for all the fleet owners and transport businesses.